my name is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys! So before we get into this week's video, I just want to tell you that it's kind of different. I filmed it on different days because it was a lot to do all of it. So if you see my hair different or a different outfit, that's why. But before we get on into the video, let's do this week's fun fact about me. So this week's fun fact about me is that I have 2 tattoos. I have the one on my arm that I've showed you guys before that I got when I turned 18. And then I have one behind my ear that I'll insert a picture of because it's kind of hidden, that I got the day before I turned 20 with one of my good friends. One of my best friends, we got matching tattoos and it was her first tattoo. So it's kind of cool that we got to experience that together. But yeah, so I will insert a picture of my rose tattoo behind my ear. And it's also cool because you guys know I love Shawn Mendes, and one of his songs is called Roses, and he had a big rose last tour, and so it's pretty cool. Anyways, let's get on into this week's video. I hope everyone enjoys seeing my mom and I organizing my makeup. She helped me, so if you see pink nails, that's obviously her. Grab your pinkity drinkity, it's about to be a long video. Okay guys, this is my absolute messy as heck desk with makeup literally all over it. It's a never-ending situation. I did have all my eyeshadows over here, but I have so many that it's just cluttered. And there's tons of makeup behind my laptop, my brushes. I mean, it's just taken over, which is fine. I love makeup, but it's everywhere. So this is the before we organize. Stay tuned for the after. I forgot to mention that this little basket down here is full of eyeshadow too. Cinnamon has his little diapers on top of it so he doesn't mark in the house, but yeah, under his little diapers, that basket is completely full of eyeshadow too, so we need to find somewhere for them to go, so stay tuned. Okay, so you guys seen the before, so I got all my eyeshadows and they wouldn't fit in one container anymore, so they're on my dresser now because they were too big for my desk. But I took these boxes that were from Pink, and they're gift sets that I got from Christmas, and they came in like a sweatshirt and leggings. So I saved these boxes because they're really cute, and they both fit all my eyeshadows and highlighters, so that's what I did. And I just put it on my dresser with a little picture of Cindy. And that's where all my eyeshadows went. My mom went ahead and did this for me because it's hard for me to lift the eyeshadow palettes and put them in because my arms are weak. But this is where they are now. They live on my dresser, and this is my dresser. And they live here now on top of my dresser. So yeah. So I will show you guys the next thing that I organized. So guys, now I am on to reorganizing all of my lipsticks. So this is my lipstick bin. There's some random things in there like this highlighter. So I'm gonna reorganize all of this, and I'm gonna try to set you guys where you guys can watch me organize, but we'll see if that works. So yeah, this is the before, and I'm gonna show you the after. So this is what it looks like. I basically just put the colors that I mainly use on top, and then the ones that I don't use that much underneath. like the more wild colors like the green over there and things like that. But this is my lipsticks organized. And I have a bunch of other ones that are just kind of scattered all over the place. But these are the ones that I mainly use. So yeah, I will be back. So this is the finished result. Everything is cleaned up and looks back to normal. And then right here is where I film and my little tripod with my camera. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Say bye, Cindy.